Hi guys, in front of me is MOTOROLA Moto G06 Power, and let me show you how to reset app preferences. So first of all, open the settings, then from main settings list select apps. Here we've got them. Now click on all apps to enroll them all, mark more icon, which is 3 dots 1 in the right upper corner, and select reset app preferences. And now if you truly want to get rid of all preferences for disabled apps, disabled app notifications, default application instructions, background data restriction for apps or any other permission restrictions, just mark reset apps. And that's it, that will be all. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.